Huawei Nova 7i with quad cameras, 40 watts fast charging support. Huawei Nova 7i smartphone will reportedly launch in India in July, an online report has claimed. The Chinese tech giant first unveiled the Huawei Nova 7i in Malaysia back in February as a rebranded version of Nova 6 SE, which was introduced in China in December 2019. The phone carries quad rear cameras and octa-core Kirin 810 SoC. It is backed by 4,200 mAh battery that supports Huawei's 40-watt supercharged technology. Additionally, the Huawei Nova 7i comes in 3 color options. According to a report by Price Baba, Huawei Nova 7i will debut in the country next month. However, an exact launch date or pricing details are still unclear. It is important to note that Huawei is yet to confirm the phone's launch in India. Huawei Nova 7i specifications. The dual SIM, Nano, Huawei Nova 7i runs on MIUI 10.0.1, based on Android 10, out of the box, and the smartphone has started receiving the MIUI 10.1 update, as per a report by Huawei Central. The phone will likely come with Huawei App Gallery instead of Google Play service in India. The Huawei Nova 7i carries a 6.4-inch Full HD+, 1,080 x 2,310 pixels, display and is powered octa-core high-silicon Kirin 810 SoC, coupled with 8GB RAM. The phone packs 128GB internal storage and it can be expanded via microSD card, up to 256GB. In terms of cameras, the quad rear camera setup includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f/1.8 aperture. The square-shaped rear camera module on Huawei Nova 7i also houses an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera with 120-degree field of view, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. For selfies and video calling, Huawei has provided a 16-megapixel front camera with f/2.0 aperture. The smartphone carries a 4,200 mAh battery with 40 watts supercharged support. Connectivity options include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/AAC, Bluetooth V5.0, a 3.5mm headphone jack and USB Type-C port for charging. Further, there is a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Lastly, the Huawei Nova 7i measures 159.2 x 76.3 x 8.7 mm and weighs 183 grams. The Huawei Nova 7i price is set at Rs 1,099, roughly 19,400 rupees, in Malaysia. It is available in crush green, midnight black, and sakura pink color options. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.